I started off with just kind of looking at immersive learning and how that actually affects kids to now this career-focused approach where I'm actually looking at how do you provide children, marginalized children, specifically African-American males, with this career exposure despite their location. They'll log on to the Northstar, and then they'll kind of go through this process where they register, they talk about, fill out their profile, and then they complete this particular survey, and they'll go through this process of filling out, can I see myself in this particular environment? Is this something that I like? Once they're finished with the survey part, the algorithm actually matches up their response to not only would they have like an interest recommendation with list careers that they can possibly explore based on their interests, it also will be able to tie into subjects. So now when children get an A or a B in a particular subject, they can associate that and say, oh wow, I'm good at math. And so these are all the careers that I can possibly potentially explore. So it's not prescriptive. I decided to focus on African American males because my lineage from my father, 4 uncles, 5 nephews, 4 brothers, 2 sons and 3 grandsons. Seeing the struggles of the men that are around me and trying to achieve educational equity and find careers actually became my burden. A couple years ago, I ended up deciding to homeschool my son because he also was kind of struggling with education and just trying to find his space. And so I started this work researching how immersive learning can affect African American boys.
I think it's a very important project to drive forward because inspiring kids and ensuring that they are doing what they love and loving what they do, making sure that they are attuned to the career paths that they love, putting that in front of them and saying like, oh, what do you like? What do you want to do? And here are the various options that you've never heard about that could be the right fit for you. So making their worlds bigger is very important. It starts to create like a visual map of what matters to that particular student.
ID is actually promoting enhanced technology, artificial intelligence. The advisor, Zach Pino, he also has a computer science degree, and so he does look at these particular issues from a technology-based approach, and so looking at how do you leverage, especially when you're trying to deal with large scale.
I learned that putting myself in uncomfortable situations just makes me grow even more. Learning how all these AI platforms talk to each other, how the large language model is constructed just from some words to create like tokens and all these things. It was a truly eye-opening experience for me.
When I think about the African American males in my family and I think about the decisions that they had to make based on the information that they had, it was very limited. And so it brings me joy to be able to have something that's for this particular audience that allow them to see all the careers that are, a possibility for them. So this platform, it does so much, and so everything about it I love it. And I'm a techie, so the AI part is just like, keeps me up at night. And so I love the work, and I'm glad that I'm able to do it here at IU.